Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Continuing the series, create a product page. Today we're going to do it with another method. If you are using a theme without any page builders or just using only Gutenberg, this tutorial may work. As in the previous part of this series, I also take a detailed page about car rental as an example. This page contains the product's detailed information. All of this information will be saved in a post of a custom post type. The name of this product and its descriptions are the title and content of this post. The remaining detailed information will be saved in the custom fields. For the custom post type and custom fields, we all use MetaBox. In particular, we'll use a MetaBox extension, MB Views, to create a template without touching the theme files and display all of this information. As I said, we'll need the MetaBox Core plugin to have a framework for creating a custom post type and custom fields. It's free and available on WordPress.org, so you can download it directly. Besides, we need some MetaBox extensions for more advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. Make sure that you activate the following extensions. MB Custom Post Type helps to create custom post types. MB Views helps you to create templates without touching the theme files. And the last one is MetaBox Builder, which has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. That's all the tools we need for this practice. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the product. After creating a new post type, you'll see a new menu appear here. It's your post type. Let's create custom fields. First, choose the number field for numeric information, such as rental price, car year, and max passengers. For the car year information, you can fill in an example year here so that when entering information, users can easily understand and enter the information correctly. Continue with the max passengers information. Just enter numbers in the min and max value boxes to limit the number of passengers. Next, choose the select field to contain selective information. Fill in the option in the choice box. For other information, select the text field. In this box, you can add some descriptions to add information to the field. The last field is the gallery. Choose an image advanced field to contain all of the product images. That's all for the custom fields. Next, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Car Rental to apply these fields to this post type. Back to the post editor, you will see all of the newly created custom fields. Just fill in the information. To display the detailed product, you normally have to go to the themes files to add code or use a page builder. But you have another way with MetaBox, which has the MB Views extension to create templates without touching the themes files. I'm creating a new template using it. Today, I'll insert fields from this button instead of typing codes as I did in some other tutorials. First, I'll create a slider with many product images, so insert the gallery field and choose the image size for it. Next, I'm inserting the product name and its description. They are the default fields of WordPress. Now just choose the field name like this for the next information. About the fuel, door, and gearbox fields. Because they are select fields, you'll have a setting where you can choose the output as value or label of the options here. Finally, I insert the remaining fields as usual. So we've finished getting all of the information about the product. Scroll down to the settings section of the view. Set it as singular to apply this template to a single post page. Then add a rule to apply it to the detail page only. When you go to a product page, all the product information is displayed already. It is so messy now. We'll need some JS and CSS to make it more beautiful with a better layout. Before styling, we need to edit this template a little bit more. In the template that we've just created, add some div tags like this for each element. It's available on our GitHub, so you can refer to it. Next, add some CSS code in this tab. Then, also add some code in the JavaScript tab. All of these codes are also available on GitHub. This is to create a slider for the gallery, and also helps to recognize the action when clicking on the next or previous button. After updating the template, you'll see the new look on the front end. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.